All right, next you're gonna get your steering kind of level. We're gonna remove this dash. It's basically a 2-pop push in, and you're gonna pull it up, out like that. And at this point, it's all about finessing, spreading things open, popping it out on both sides. And then now your dash is kind of like removing it. You have some wiring loom back here that you're gonna push in. Probably gonna go over here. You could probably, I don't know if you can see it, see through it. There's one right here. There's one white one over here. There we go. There we go. And just carefully remove it.